You turn the key and nothing. No engine noise, no dashboard lights, just silence. Let's figure out what's going on. First, check your battery. A dead or weak battery is the #1 reason cars won't start. If your lights are dim or clicking, your battery might need a jump or replacement. Next, look at your key fob. If you have push to start, a weak fob battery can stop your Sequoia from recognizing the key. Try the backup fob or hold the key close to the start button. Still stuck? Make sure your gears in park are neutral. Cars won't start in drive or reverse. Now check your fuel. Sounds obvious, but sometimes the tank is lower than you think. Low fuel or a clogged fuel filter can keep the engine from starting. Lastly, listen for unusual sounds. Clicking or grinding could mean a starter issue. No sound at all? Could be a blown fuse or bad ignition switch. If none of these help, it's best to call a mechanic. But now you know the basics before you make that call. Stay safe, and good luck getting your Sequoia back on the road.